fulfilling day. We've been out here the majority of the day serving the communities, greeting the kids, greeting their families, greeting the community leaders, and this is exactly what we do here at Movement. We love and value people in multiple ways.
We are so happy to be with you here today. And today is about you, it's about you having fun, it's about building relationships with all of our friends that came from the United States.
No, it's just amazing to be a part of this and to come out here and see this and see the smiles and how authentic everything is. I love it.
I got a chance to speak with one of the folks that were here, and such a little action goes such a long way, and that's what it's all about, making a difference for them and bringing happiness to them. She says, thank you very much for bringing us a little bit of happiness, and man, we sometimes take our happiness for granted. This is what it's all about.
What a feeling it is, right? To be able to give back, it's the most important thing. That's what we do. Not only is it great to put people into homes, but by doing that, right, we're able to do things like this.